Hi! In front of me is OnePlus Nord 3 5G, and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in floating windows. First of all, select one of your apps that you wish to use in pop-up view. In my case, Chrome. Then open it in the background. In order to do that with tricky navigation, click on this one with 3 lines. Then tap on those 3 dots at the top right corner of your app and select floating window from the list. Then tap on this tiny one. As you can see, now I can use my app in pop-up view. In order to move it around, hold this line at the top and drag it. If you wish to resize it, hold one of its corners at the bottom and drag it. When you find the perfect size, let go. If you wish to use your app in full screen view, you can hold one of your corners as well, drag it down and wait for this bluish area to show, then let go or click on the top left corner. If you wish to use your app overlay the other one, just open the other one and operate in both. In order to close your window completely, you can tap on this X at the top right corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!